Hi, I'm talking to you. You! Adjust the volume and try to listen to me today. Just think of a situation. An incident happened to you, and you are no longer alive. You are dead. What happens next? Your family member comes to know. They are very sad. They are crying now. Your friends, your family members, your relatives, your well-wishers, they gather in your house. Many comes the same day, and many of them, due to their work, due to their responsibilities, cannot come. You are taken to be buried or to be burned. And you became a history. It's a very difficult situation for your family members. It takes time, but time heals everything. Slowly, everyone will become normal. Your photo will be hanging on the wall. You will be remembered, especially during the festival time or on your birthday. The place where you used to work, where you used to give your time, where you used to stress up. Within few days, a new vacancy will come up for the same position. The coaching institute where you always wanted to enroll yourself for English classes is still running. New students are going there, are enrolling. They are learning English. They are going out and getting into their own life. Everyone is moving forward. And you? How you left? With so many wishes. I wish I could have managed some time for my family. I wished I could have joined that coaching institute and learned English. I wished I could have expressed my love for my mother, for my father. I wished I would have left those sad moments beside and moved on with my life. I wished I could have stayed positive throughout my life. So, do you want to go like that? No, right? The moments you stay in this world, the time you spend in this world, should be memorable, should be happy. And it is you who has to take the step. Till now, you are running for a new house. You are running for a new car. You are running to the bank so that you get the loan and get your dream house. You are stressed up. You are in tension. You have to work, to manage your family, to manage yourself. But just think, when you will live for yourself, why so much compromises? Why you are not taking care of yourself? You keep postponing what you love to do. You think that you have so much time that the things you love, you can do it later in your life. But who knows? Whose time is coming next? I don't know. I may die tonight. Life is so uncertain. Suppose, if you know that tomorrow, 12 o'clock, you are going to die, what all things you want to do tonight and tomorrow before you die? Live your life like that. You will always regret. I wish I could have taken the step. I wish I could have taken out some time for myself. You were scared. You were afraid. If I fail in life, who will help me? Who will support me? I'm not saying leave your job. Leave your course, what you're doing. I'm just saying, can you manage a small amount of time for yourself, so that when you look back after a few years, you will not regret. And today, if you are not taking this step, after a few years, when you look back, you will be sad. You will think, I wish I could have taken the step a few years back. I'm sure many of you wanted to become a singer. You wanted to become a guitarist. You wanted to become an interior designer, a good photographer. But due to commitments, due to scenarios in life which happened, you are doing something else. Few days back, I met a doctor. He told me his story. He always wanted to become a good karate coach. During his childhood, he learned karate and he enjoyed those moments. But due to family pressure, he has to become a doctor. He approached his father. They said no. And now he is a doctor and he regrets every moment. It's not that your parents will not agree to you. The truth is that your parents are scared. They feel what will happen to their kids once they are not there. They feel insecure. So, our parents always want their kids to be in a better position, like a doctor or an engineer, where they will have less financial crisis. They don't want to see their kids suffering financially. That time, when you didn't have that strength or the opportunity to fulfill your ambition, is gone. Now you have some time, right? Maybe you were busy the whole day, but take out some time for yourself. Whatever you want to do it, my dear. Just go for it. You want to learn English? Learn. You want to talk to people? You want to make friends? You want to laugh? You want to travel? You want to experience life? You want to experience love? You want to meditate? Just go and do it. It's your life. Do everything what you love. Take a step forward and say to yourself, whatever happens next, I will be responsible for that. Don't blame others. And you say that I will take the full responsibility of my next step. I may fail 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, but believe me, my dear friends, failure doesn't come always. Failure comes with lot of success in life. Sit down and ask yourself what you want to do, how you will be happy, how you will get true happiness, and just follow that path. You are asking others how I will get happiness. But have you ever asked yourself? Have you ever asked your inner self that where you will find that happiness? My dear, it all comes from inside. No one can find it for you. It's you who have to search it all from your heart. Just think, you want to do the same thing, eating, sleeping, and scrolling the videos what you are doing now in the next 5 years? No, right? So this is your time. Stop scrolling and just go and make a decision tonight what you want to do in the next 5 years. Plan it up. If you want, you can share with me. I hope you like this video. I will see you again in the next. Thank you so much.